Hey guys, so this is part 2 to the first video I posted of me installing this hair. This is a video of me just showing you how I got these crimps or these waves, whatever one you want to call them. They're basically waves, but you want to do the same method I do for this that you use for the crimps, just so you can have a flat install with volume at the bottom. This is inspired by KASHDOLL. And you know, your flat iron and your hot comb is going to be your best friend during this process. So you saw me use my hot comb just for the roots, and I already had flat iron the front of her head. Now the back of the head I didn't want, so just the top of the head, period. The front top you want to flat iron the hair all the way through, but as far as the middle and the back, you do not want to flat iron because it creates more volume. So I'm going in with my waver, not my crimper, because she wanted bigger waves. She didn't want little crimps like KASHDOLL, but it's inspired by KASHDOLL, the same look. I'm going on my waver, and you want to be neat as possible, and you want to hold the hair. And when you got your waver crimped in the spot, you're going to push the hair up. This keeps the waves that you done before that one in shape and fluffy. You do not want any flat waves. You still want it to look wavy, but just flat at the top. So I hope this is making sense to you guys. Sorry about my voice. It's early, girl. It's mad early. You want to go in with some holding spray just to hold each strand or each piece that you do in place. I did this for each section. You're not going to wait to the end to hold it down. This helps the waves to stay in shape and to help it last long. My cousin had these waves in, the crimps waves in, for a week now. But today's her birthday, so she's taking it out. But anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the next section. As you see at the top of the hair, I flat iron it and I hot comb the top just so that it could be silky at the top. You want the volume at the bottom. You don't want no volume at the top. Now for the front, I'm not going to start exactly at the top. Remember, you want to keep everything even and lined up. So I'm going to start kind of right by the middle of her eyebrow. That's how I pinpoint it. And then I'm going to go ahead and hot comb the top of her head just so that the waves could be flat and not so bulky at the top. This is how KASHDOLL had it, y'all. And I'm telling you, this is the best way. You want to have a hot comb and you want to have a flat iron with your crimper, of course. this is the finished look. Oh my gosh, like, I know I always say I love the way I did that, but like, I love the way I did this. Like, it looks so natural. And a lot of times, depending on where you get your lace from, it's harder to blend it in. But this is translucent lace. Like, it's not there. This is her scalp, okay? This is her scalp. And she looks so good. We were just so tired, so don't even mind her little stush act or whatever. But when I post my vlog up, y'all gonna see her getting crazy tonight. But anyway, happy birthday. This is the cash doll look. I actually went in and on that left side, I believe, or right side that's sticking up a little bit, I went in with the hot comb and I flattened it more down. So that thing was flat, like there was nothing sticking up at all. But this is the look, you guys. I hope to see your look soon. If you could tag me on Instagram at Hair by Ashley with 2 underscores. Everything will be in the description box below. Bye, guys.